Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about how to install a Tally Prime in our computer. आज हम ये सीखेंगे कंप्यूटर के अंदर और लैपटॉप के अंदर हम Tally Prime को कैसा इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं वो अभी सीखेंगे. To install Tally Prime, first you have to go to open the Google Chrome here. Then go to here. This is address bar where we are going to type the website. We will type google.com, then type here download Tally Prime. Then you will get official website, that is Tally solutions.com. Click on here download. Then you will get this type of window. If you have any queries or if you wanted to know about Tally Prime accounting software, this is the Tally Prime. This is number 9019910043. You can call it, or a toll free number 1800309889. If you call it, you will get the information about Tally. Also you can chat here also. Now we are downloading, so we'll click on download option. Yes, it is started downloading here. My name is Raju. I will click on here. Yes, downloaded. It is fully downloaded. Then I will click on this. Then click. Yes, it is still downloading. Click on here. Click mouse right button and click on show in folder. Then it will show. You can also directly open. Click on this setup file. Then press yes. This it is asking. Yes, click on yes. It will take some time to install. There is a huge demand for Tally operators. So for commerce students it is necessary to learn Tally Prime. After clicking on here, we will get this type of window where it is showing the application Tally Prime release 3.0.1. Release means this is the version of the Tally. This is the version of the Tally. Then where it is installing, it is showing application path C:program files Tally Prime 2. Here if you are installing first time, means it will show Tally Prime only. It will not show bracket 2 and all, because we are already installed 2 times, so for that purpose it is showing. Else it is going to show Tally Prime only. Then click on I here, install. Yes, it is showing installing. Start installing. It will take some time. For commerce students it is very necessary to learn Tally accounting software. Then click on start. Yes, start Tally Prime. It will take some time to install. Yes, click on here allow access. Then click accept here. Then you will get 4 options here. First one is activate new license. This is last one, sorry. If you are purchased a new Tally Prime software, then they will give one key. To activate that key, you have to select this option. After completion of the 1 year, next again you have to reactivate the license. Then for if you are already completed the next 1 year, then if you are purchased a new license means old license, to renew it, then you have to select this option. If you are using on a network means, then you have to select this option. Now we are going to select it, try it for free educational version, because we are using for educational purpose. Then you will get, this is the main window of the Tally Prime. Now we are going to select this create company. This is the main window of the Tally Prime, opening to create the company. Next, in the next classes, we are going to learn how to create a company. This is the path of the company where data is storing. C:\users public Tally Prime /data. Thank you one and all for watching our video. In next classes, we will begin with how to create a new company in Tally Prime. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thank you one and all for watching video. Thank you one and all.